In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent LinkedIn from notifying your connections whenever you update your profile. Whether you're switching jobs, adding new educational experiences, or celebrating work anniversaries, sometimes change is a personal journey you might not want to broadcast to everyone in your LinkedIn network. Luckily, LinkedIn gives you the option to control who gets to see these updates. So, let's dive into the steps and ensure that you have complete control over your profile update notifications on LinkedIn. First, we need to head over to Settings and Privacy. You can easily find this by clicking on your profile picture. It's typically located in the upper right-hand corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Once you click on your profile picture, a drop-down menu should appear. Select Settings and Privacy from this menu to get started. This will lead you to a page where you can manage the detailed settings of your LinkedIn account. It's your go-to place if you want to maintain control over your profile and your data. With the Settings and Privacy page open, our next stop is the Visibility section. You'll notice a sidebar on the left side of your screen listing various options, and this is where you'll find Visibility. Click on it. The Visibility section contains several customizable settings for how others can view your profile and its updates. Within the Visibility section, you're going to focus on adjusting the sharing preferences for your profile updates. Look for the option labeled Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. Once you're there, you need to locate the setting titled Share Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. This particular setting is what controls the notifying of your network whenever these types of updates occur on your profile. Now, let's adjust this setting. You'll notice a toggle switch next to Share Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. By default, this may be set to On, meaning LinkedIn will share your updates with your network. To prevent this from happening in the future, all you need to do is switch the toggle to Off. This action will effectively stop LinkedIn from sending notifications of your profile updates to your connections. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now ensured that any changes you make to your LinkedIn profile remain under your control, sharing them whenever it suits you, instead of automatically with your entire network. It's a simple adjustment, but it gives you the peace of mind knowing that you can update your professional journey privately. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.